Welcome to our channel, My Mind. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all, getting motivated every morning, especially on Mondays. Whether you're facing the start of a new week or just need that extra push to get going, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about why Mondays can feel so daunting. After a relaxing weekend, the transition back to work or school can be tough, but with a few simple strategies, you can turn your Monday blues into a powerful start to the week. 1. Set a morning routine. Establishing a consistent morning routine can significantly boost your motivation. Start with small, manageable steps like making your bed, having a healthy breakfast, and doing a quick workout. These actions signal to your brain that it's time to start the day. 2. Plan ahead. Prepare for Monday on Sunday night. Lay out your clothes, plan your meals, and make a to-do list for the next day. Having a clear plan reduces morning stress and helps you focus on your goals. 3. Positive affirmations. Start your day with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths, goals, and past successes. This mental boost can increase your confidence and readiness to tackle the day. 4. Avoid technology first thing. Avoid checking your phone or social media immediately after waking up. Instead, use the first 30 minutes to focus on yourself, whether that's meditating, journaling, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee. 5. Incorporate exercise. Incorporating even a short exercise session into your morning can elevate your mood and energy levels. It doesn't have to be intense. A simple walk or a few stretches can make a big difference. 6. Healthy breakfast. Don't skip breakfast. A nutritious meal in the morning fuels your body and mind, helping you stay focused and energized throughout the day. 7. Set small goals. Set small, achievable goals for your day. This creates a sense of accomplishment and momentum that can carry you through more challenging tasks. 8. Stay hydrated. Start your day with a glass of water to kickstart your metabolism and hydrate your body after hours of sleep. By incorporating these strategies into your morning routine, you can transform your Mondays and every day into an opportunity for success and growth. Remember, the way you start your day sets the tone for the rest of it. So, take control of your mornings and watch how your motivation and productivity soar. That's all I had for now. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's make every morning a great one.